on the bus for a beautiful family getaway. We are going to visit Mount Fuji for the very first time. We were lucky because it was sunny when we went, but since we went during the autumn season, so may pa-OOTD tayo, kailangan dressed up tayo for the weather. We are very positive na makikita natin si Mount Fuji, so please join us as we capture the magnificent view of Mount Fuji. We just did a DIY for this trip, so nagbus kami from Shinjuku Station to Kawaguchiko Station, and going to our accommodation, nag-taxi na kami because we stayed close to the Chirita Pagoda. One simple tip guys, kapag magbus kayo, choose the left side seats to see Mount Fuji on your way to Kawaguchiko Station. Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shell again of Shanks Crafted Designs. We are here at Mount Fuji right now. We just arrived and we were in awe when we saw this villa that we rented out for 2 days and 1 night. It's so beautiful, so let me just give you a quick home tour. I'm so excited because it's really beautiful guys. We're planning to visit Mount Fuji. This is a good villa that I will surely recommend for you guys. So let's go do a quick home tour. Before we get in, there's a passcode that the owner will give you through email. So we just key in the passcode there and to be able for us to enter the villa. So as you enter, this is part of the foyer, and then here is the rack for the slippers, and you can put in your shoes here, but momentarily we just put our shoes in this part of the hallway, and then here are our bags. I have this little machine here to check you guys, but of course if you knew that you're healthy and in good shape, I don't think you're required to do so. This is also the hand sanitizer here. It's super ganda. Ang ganda-ganda lang. And we have 3 rooms. So, 1 for us ni Jong, 1 room for Sean, 1 room for 30. And they already chose the room. So, this is a room, me and Jong, here. And this is part of the first floor because the kitchen is right up in the 2nd floor. And daig pa namin ang nag-rent ng talagang mamahaling hotel. This villa is for ourselves for 2 days and 1 night. In each room may 2 beds. So we're going upstairs. So going to a little living room, dining and kitchen. So upon entering, we got here the dining table. And oh, this is the Filipino kind or any nationalities kind of table setting. And if you want to experience the Japanese way of eating, so they have it set up also for us. And this is our kitchen. Yun. So in the kitchen, we have the microwave, we have the toaster, then we have here our sink, and we have our stove here, so we're allowed to cook. We have our little fridge, and everything's covered here. And this is the toilet. And yun ang kagandahan sa Japan kasi it's a bidet toilet. Heated pa ang seat niyan, guys. And coming here, meron laundry. May washer. Yes, so mayroon washer. And then, meron silang mga toiletries dito na libre for us. And, andito yung tub. This is the best part of the villa. Because
the Fuji is there.
The Fuji is right in front of me. I'll show you. Ta-da! I hope the video captures Mount Fuji because it's a little cloudy though. Kitang-kita ko siya. Ang liit lang ng deck namin, guys. It's super, ano lang siya. Parang it's a view deck lang to see Mount Fuji if you wanna, if the weather is nice. Actually, today the weather is nice. I'm just wearing this kind of OOTD. But you know, guys, it's fall season here in Japan. But it feels like spring to me, yung kind ng cold. So, very okay. I don't know later at night kung super malamig dito, but yeah, I don't know. So, this is located at, so here's the address of the villa. The villa is in Fuji Yoshida. Fuji Yoshida ang name ng villa, but I will put it in the description down below if you want to experience this kind of experience that we're having right now. So guys, please do check this villa, very close to the Churira Pagoda. We chose this villa because tomorrow morning, John wants to capture the beauty of Mount Fuji during the sunrise. Pag nag-ding-dong na yan,
Ding-dong.
ding-dong! We're gonna try our Japanese dining table. First time experience ng Japanese. So, meron pala siyang cover to keep you warm. No, namumove pala to. Tapos papasok ka. Hindi makatayo si Daddy pag nandito siya. That's for tomorrow. Mahirap niya, Han. Ay, ganun.
You guys can eat there. I don't want to sit because my legs hurt from the walk. So
Yeah, let's try lang good experience.
I hope tomorrow because where's Daddy?
Hindi na ako makita, oh.
You got Daddy? Yeah.
Meron siyang ganun pa seat. Amen. So, this is the setup pala ng Japanese kind of eating, dining. And for our supper tonight, bumili lang kami sa Family Mart. This is so-called curry. Let's check their curry.
There's one with hobby
Ay,
stuff.
ba't nila ako iniwan? Ba't ako mag-isa dito? Anyway,
But it's far.
and then we bought our favorite dessert, the souffle pudding. Souffle pudding. Very, very, very yummy. This is something new.
Yeah.
Strawberry mousse and red bean. Ano to? Paste. Oh! It says strawberry mousse and red bean paste pancake. Tingnan natin kung masarap yan. Let's make a review. But I knew kasi pag mga Japanese na dessert, masarap talaga and very yummy. And of course, we're in Japan. Dapat meron tayong mochi. So this mochi is it's a matcha cream mochi. Matcha cream mochi. And of course, kailangan ng fruit. So may banana tayo. Ayun. So this is the Japanese way of eating. Ganito pala kababa, no? Parang nakaupo ka rin sa floor, pero nakasandal ka nga lang kasi may sandalan yung kanilang upuan. And this table is good for 4 to 6 people, pero ideally 4 chairs lang siya. So siguro this is ideally good for 4. Sorry po, maingay sila. I have a background ng mga maiingay. Let's try. So, itong aming first night dito sa may Mount Fuji. Masarap!
This isn't here. This is the one 14 minutes.
The curry is good. Sarap. Comfy pala, no? Itong ano na to ba? Hindi nakatiis sa ano, sa Japanese dining. Let's try the dessert. This is the strawberry. Smells good. Ice yung rep. Check mo daw, baka pala may ice.
What is this mini?
At least may ice!
There's cups too.
Oo, yan, glass.
Huh?
Pakibanlaw muna yung glass. Banlawan mo lang sa gripo. Back to dessert. Man! Want this? Eat that. Ay, wag to kasi may red bean pala.
Why Daddy can't eat beans?
As much as possible. Red bean. Not good for arthritis. The red bean.
You guys share that one. I'll
Yeah.
take the rest of this small one.
And ice. And kami on. We're having dinner. Good morning, guys! Good morning, Mount Fuji. So, early ako nagising. I think it's because of the body clock change na Kaya, I can't help it, but babangon na. So, sila lahat tulog pa. So, I'm having my first coffee of the day dito sa Mount Fuji. Si Mount Fuji ay nandyan lang. So, I opened the curtain sa deck, pero siya, madilim pa, hindi pa makita. Kaya, looking forward ako sa sunrise. So, dito sa villa, part of the freebies na hinanda ng owner, we have here some blended stick. I believe this is coffee. We have some Lipton tea. Tapos, this is also a dark coffee. So, siguro itong blendy, this is I think I'll try this. Maybe this is 3-in-1. 3-in-1 sa atin. And, yeah. We're not cooking our breakfast, but we're just having some instant noodles. I know, sorry, it's not healthy though, but let's try. This is Nissan Cup, if you're from Japan. If you're in Japan, try all the different noodles. And yeah, let's try this one. Oh, this is blended stick. So I think it's the 3-in-1 coffee. Sasabayan ko ng mochi ng aking breakfast after eating my noodles. Ito yung kanilang water dispenser. Oh. Fresh coffee for the day. Ayan si Mount Fuji. So beautiful. This is our neighbors. That's the mountain. That's the house. Umpisa na ng hiking. Going up to Churito Pagoda. Ayan. Naka-shortcut ka, Han. Ito yung temple. Let's pay a visit muna sa temple. Hani, gusto mo muna bago tayo pumunta doon? Let's go there muna. Behind me is a temple. Then we'll pay visit to the temple after. Kasi We just wanna capture the city area overlooking. Hingal wakit. Hingal wakit ah. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. This is just one of the few spots na pwede tayo mag-photo kay Mount Fuji. Tsaka ayan o. Kitang-kita. So pretty. Very pretty. Ayan. Mas makita yung mga neighbors. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Let's zoom. Zoom ko. Kita si Mount Fuji, tapos sa baba yung city. It's so beautiful. Akit na naman kami sa steps. Here's Kuya Thirdy. Ayan. Yun yung aakyatin namin, guys. Kuna kami ni Joe ng photo. Ay, saan ka? Dito ka lang. Diyan kami? Ah, sige. Yeah. It's so nice. Gawa ng colors. Kasi fall. Ayan o. Ayan. Dito kami? Ayan si Jong. Ayan si Jong. Another set of steps. Pero ang cool kasi gawa ng colors. So we finally made it to the Churito Pagoda. This is a 5-storied pagoda on the mountainside overlooking Fuji Yoshida City and Mount Fuji off the distance. The pagoda is part of the Arakura Shinyan Shrine and was built as a peace memorial in 1963, nearly 400 steps up the mountain from the shrine's main building. The location offers spectacular views of Mount Fuji in combination with the pagoda, especially during the cherry blossom season in mid-April, where there are hundreds of trees in bloom, and during the autumn color season, which usually takes place in the first half of November. The spot is particularly popular among photographers and tourists as it allows for some wonderfully stereotypical shots of Japan. At Churito Pagoda, and behind me is Mount Fuji. Super nice, super clear ang sky, super sunny. It's not even cold, pero may OOTD lang. May pa-OOTD lang ako. The area itself, ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda ng colors ng mga trees going up. So that's the Churito Pagoda behind me, and there's Mount Fuji also behind us. Super clear yung cone niya, you can really see the Alps. Ang ganda-ganda. And marami ng tao. We were early kasi kanina we went here around 7 a.m. It's already 9:13 in the morning and marami ng mga tourists na nagsiakyatan dito. The steps, grabe, pagoda. It's literally pagod ka pagkaakyat mo, but it's worth it. Once you see Mount Fuji, the beauty of Mount Fuji, it's really worth it. Makalimutan mo yung pagod mo. If you're planning to go for a trip in Japan, please consider going to Mount Fuji as one of your bucket list. It's worth it talaga, super. And especially, nakikisama ang weather, so ang ganda-ganda. Thank you for watching, guys! Ito na yung start ng ano. Pababa na kami. Different view then pababa.
These were the visions that Sean see when he was hiking.
Spirits away.
Yeah, the spirits were guiding him. Going back to Shinjuku.
Back to Shinjuku.
Yeah, I made a prayer at the rock. What was the prayer? Huh?
Hiking time. Ano? Fuji yung camera.
Where's all the yung mga hapon?
This family getaway to Chirita Pagoda was really worth the visit, guys. I will share on the description box below the name and address of the villa where we stayed. And for our next stop, guys, we are heading to Kawaguchiko Panoramic Ropeway. We will ride a cable car or gondola up to an observation deck with views of Mount Fuji and the surrounding areas. Thanks, guys, for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please help me grow my channel. Click subscribe, let me know if you have questions on how to DIY a trip to Mount Fuji, and click the notification bell below for more upcoming videos.